I've seen this hack done before, and I finally put it to the test because I needed to get my black menorahs shiny as soon as possible. Line a massive pot with tin foil, so it's all covered on the inside. Fill it up with water and bring it to a boil. This trick is really great because there's so many little details on menorah, so being able to just do it quickly is ideal. You're going to add some baking soda into your pot, which is going to create this weird chemical reaction that when you dunk the silver, somehow the tarnish from the menorah transfers to the tinfoil. I mean, it's literally magic, and it is so much fun to witness. I went silver polishing crazy last night. So all you're gonna do is basically just take it and dunk it in, and if you see it's not working as well, just add a little bit more baking soda to it to create the reaction again. Now, obviously, you want a really big pot because this menorah is so massive, I couldn't fit a lot of it in there, so I ended up doing some by hand, but it still gave me a really great jump start. And these were actually black, like this was a job. So I used a little bit of regular polish for the middle piece that I couldn't really get into the pot. And then I used a magic eraser, which actually kind of worked to get in between all the little grooves. It's so beautiful. I hope the light shines bright this Hanukkah. Wishing you a happy Hanukkah, Shabbat Shalom, and sending love and light and peace to everyone. Happy Hanukkah and Shabbat Shalom, you guys. Sending love.